Today, we will talk about how to make money with Instagram. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Partner with a brand for sponsored posts. One of the most promising ways to make money on Instagram is by becoming an influencer, micro-influencer, or nano-influencer. As any of these types of influencers, you will be compensated with gifts or money in exchange for creating and sharing engaging content around a brand or business. These might take the form of sponsored posts or shout-outs, where you positively shout out about a brand or product on your Instagram account with a story or post. Reels can also now be used to promote sponsored content or include links to your own website and services. Instagram promotion works for businesses due to the highly visual nature of its content. Making money on the platform is all about using this visual impact to maximum impact, while reaching hundreds and thousands of potential customers. Open an Instagram shop. An Instagram shop is a lot like running an online store, except it's all on an app. Their slogan, Post Tag, Sell, explains how it works. After creating your shop, upload product images, descriptions, and prices of your merchandise. Then users can discover your items and check out without ever leaving Instagram. Take a look at how Wix user Palm and Wild created an Instagram shop for their elegant art prints. By selling beyond their website, they can reach new users and make money on Instagram. They've also kept their website URL to help potential customers learn more about the other products and drive traffic to their website. Become an affiliate marketer. Unlike becoming an influencer and getting paid per post, as an affiliate you get paid on commission. The average affiliate commission rate to expect is anywhere between 5% to 30%. Your sales will most often get tracked with a unique promo code or UTM link. On Instagram, affiliate programs often go by the name Brand Ambassador. You can either apply to become one on a company's website or be approached by the brand. The number of followers you have is not a deciding factor for brands looking to hire affiliates. Rather, they want to see that you're a fitting person who connects with their audience. In advance, you should know that you can only add product links on the app in your Instagram bio or your story if you have over 10,000 followers. Since these two places are limiting, you might also consider starting a blog with a blog maker and writing SEO-optimized blog posts about the products with trackable links. Drive traffic to your website. 80% of people surveyed said Instagram helps them discover and buy new products or services. Evidently, the more people who see your brand on Instagram, the better chance they will buy from your website. To help you make more money online, you can use Instagram indirectly to drive traffic to your website. With the help of all your Instagram visitors, you can boost sales, grow your email marketing list, and expand your loyal community of customers. Offer Instagram marketing services. Are you skilled in Instagram marketing, caption writing, or content creation? If so, you might be suited to take on an Instagram freelancing gig. By consulting other companies on improving their Instagram marketing techniques, you can make a nice profit, charging service fees between $20, $50 per hour, and even $100 for writing captions. Book more freelance customers and spread the word about your services in your Instagram bio. You can also advertise your services on platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. Plus, consider adding online scheduling to your website so people can book services directly from your site. Offer your audience exclusive content. Humans are curious creatures with a strong desire to keep learning. This is why online course platforms such as Coursera, Masterclass, and Udacity have gained a large customer base. If you're thinking about creating an online course, Instagram is a wonderful outlet to market it and earn money with each registration. An average individual course can start at about $100, while longer, more intense courses can cost thousands of dollars. But you don't only have to limit yourself to earning through this alone. Simple downloadable guides, ebooks, white papers, or templates can be other lucrative ways to make money on Instagram. Dropship products. When starting a business, a factor that often provides logistical and financial hurdles is inventory. However, you can run a store without ever holding any inventory, thanks to the dropshipping business model. By starting a dropshipping business, you can choose from millions of different suppliers' products such as t-shirts, books, mugs, and pillows. You're set free from the hassle of fulfillment and shipping, and get to set your own pricing to maximize profits. Once you're ready to promote your dropshipping business, create a dedicated Instagram page to showcase your products, advertise your site, and increase sales. Create an Instagram feature account. Instagram feature accounts act as hubs to showcase photos from several different creators within a niche. For instance, a travel page shows images of various top travel bloggers and tags them for credit. Here are countless Instagram feature accounts sorted by topic that you can look at for reference. But can you make money on Instagram from this type of page? Once you've grown your account to a favorable size, you can offer paid spots to users who wish to get featured on your account's feed or Instagram stories. Many are willing to invest good money for such prime real estate and exposure. On average, paid spotlight slots can range from $15 to $30 per post. Other Instagram hubs manage follower loops and like-for-like engagement groups and offer VIP paid memberships in them for as high as $20, $30 per month. Launch your own online store. If affiliate marketing or influencer posts aren't that appealing to you, then why not set up your own store instead? This way, you're making money selling your own products. Other perks like getting all the sales generated and complete control over how you market your products. Setting up an e-commerce store isn't as hard as it once was. Some third-party apps and services can help you set up your own site even if you have no experience with coding. Alternatively, you can find companies that print products on demand, so you won't have to worry about inventory. They can print shirts, mugs, calendars, and other products. All you need to provide is the design. Sell your photos. Have you thought about selling your photos? If photography is what makes people like you, then you should definitely lean into it. Whether it be stock images or artwork, most brands pay for Instagram content. Some are willing to license photos to use on their own accounts. You also have the option of selling your prints to your followers. Offering them in multiple sizes gives your fans more choices. You can even be creative with how you sell your images. Not only can you print them in shirts, but you can also have them printed on mousepads, coasters, and similar products. There are stock photo websites that allow people to sell their photos to other Instagram users. The Ingram Group and 2020 are just two platforms that help you do just that. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.